Hey guys, it's Wengie.
And Max.
And...
Hey, what's this?
Hey, don't pick that up. Don't pick that up. No, we haven't started yet.
Wait, why do you have a controller here? I thought we were doing a slime challenge. What? Oh my gosh.
Put it down.
Wait, how come you're not moving?
You just paused me.
Wait, are you serious?
Yep.
Wait, so if I press play again, you're back to normal?
I told you not to touch that.
Pause. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. I can't move. Okay, wait. I wonder what this button does.
I told you not to touch that button! Wait, am I on fast forward? Why am I talking like a chipmunk? Oh my gosh, just put it down! Oh my gosh,
Okay, there we go.
Can we just finish the intro?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Hugs! Alright guys, today we have the slime pause challenge and we're going to be making slime with an added special tool
Gosh,
thing.
I feel like I have so much power in my hands.
Yeah, no, pause. So now that I paused him, he's not going to interrupt my introduction. We basically have these controllers. It's got rewind, fast forward, pause, and play. And while we're making the slime, we can just use these however we want. Play. There we go.
Wait, we're making slime. But what are the rules? Like, when can we pause each other? When can we not pause each other?
There's
I
no
gotta
rules,
know the
pause. There's no rules, guys. I can use this however I want, whenever I want. Fast forward.
You telling me there are no rules? You actually just paused me like, are you crazy?
This is so fun. Okay, play.
Game on. You wanna play like that? You wanna play like that, boy?
Are you guys ready? Let's get started. Let's go. Alright, let's get started. This is gonna be interesting. I've never done this before. I'm gonna quickly get my
Should be
stuff in
fun.
before I get...
Whoa, you're
Pause.
already adding the white glue? Wait, pause. Oh my gosh. Wait, how much glue do you want there? Are you even strong enough to hold this pause position for that long?
Unpause me!
How's your arm going? Okay, alright, I'll pause. How much glue do you want in your slime?
Not this much! You ruined
You're
my
gonna make
slime
a
already.
giant slime, apparently.
This is too much glue for fluffy slime. I still got shaving foam to put in.
Well, enjoy all that glue. I'm going to get my clear glue. I guess I'm making a clear slime. So let's see. I
Oh,
want to
really?
put two.
Pause.
Oh my gosh, dude, look at it. It's clogging. Gonna overflow my slime.
Unpause.
Look how much slime you made. Wait, who really is like the mean one here?
Well, you started it.
You started it, miss. They started it. Wow, wait.
Now he can't even scream at me because I paused him.
I'm getting angry.
Fast forward.
Come on, like we're not...
In the
Get it out of your
playground,
system.
all right?
Wait, how old are you? Like 5 years old? You say he started it, you started it. Teacher's gonna give you detention anyway, okay? Buddy, get out of my face. I didn't start anything. Actually, I kind of did start it, you know?
I'm saying,
I just wanted to get
out,
it over with.
I'm out
like,
of air. I can't even breathe
I just
anymore.
wanted to listen to it.
Oh, wait. What happens if we both press pause at the same time?
Well, one of our pause buttons is gonna hit quicker than the other. It's like whoever presses it first.
Oh my god, wait. This town, they ain't big enough for both of us. Quick draw!
Pause. Lightning fingers, they call me. Rewind. Play.
What? You rewound me? What was I saying? I was like gobbledygook. What was that?
Did you remember what happened?
No, what do you mean what happened? I was just like mixing my glue.
Okay.
What do you mean? You're going crazy. I think something happened. What a joke. Nothing happened. Oh my gosh. What's the next thing we're gonna add? Because like, I feel like I want to add some water. Water for me? I'll add a little bit of water. No! It's too much! No!
Fast forward. Play.
Come on. This is gonna be the wateriest slime monster in the history of slime monsters.
Is that enough water for you?
You know what? I think I can make it work.
Yeah?
It's all good.
Alright, well shaving foam's going
Well,
in.
I'm gonna pause you.
I can't see what I'm doing!
Nice pattern of shaving foam on your pants.
No!
There. It's going
It's on your
on. Okay, play.
I just changed these pants! They're new, they're my only pants!
Well, wait, your only pants?
Look how marshmallowy this looks. Ooh, this smells so good. It's like
it
almost I
does.
could eat it.
It is like marshmallow, right? Oh, pause. Oh, better hope that little thing doesn't drop in your mouth. Wait, is it gonna drop soon? Oh, come on.
No,
Go on,
drop.
It's like a little worm, just wiggling.
I'm hungry.
Alright, fine. That'll teach you never to put anything above
Pause.
your face. No! No, you can't move my hand! That's cheating! This is so wet! It's so wet! It's so wet! You're getting it on my table! Oh my gosh! You just... Oh! What did you do? You just splattered it all over me!
Fast forward.
Dude, I gotta clean. How am I gonna clean? It's so. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold on my skin. It's so cold on my skin.
Ooh, what's this? Slow motion? Ooh, he sounds funny. Play.
My shirt! What are you doing to me?
I think it's time for me to pick a color.
Which color do you...
Pause. Okay, so I'm gonna go first dibs. What color does he like? Can I take a color that he wants?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
He usually picks the blue,
No.
color.
No. I wanna take it. No. Don't take it. No.
Okay.
No.
Play.
Oh, I was gonna pick that. Dude.
Beautiful blue.
Have more blue.
No!
Oh,
Light blue.
that's what you get. You're gonna get the deepest blue in the blue seas. You wanted blue? I'm giving you blue. In fact, you know what? Fast forward. You're gonna get so much blue. Oh, take that, play. That's what you get for taking this blue from me. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. You really used all of it there. Oh my gosh,
Look at
that's so much blue.
Oh wow, but look at the colors.
Oh, wait.
How good that
Oh
looks.
dude, why does it look so good?
It
there?
actually looks really good.
What the
How
heck?
did that-
I thought I was stuffing you up.
Wow, it's actually really pretty.
Oh, come on, man. But you know what? Electric purple, it's gonna go in right now.
Pause. How about this strange lime green? I know he wanted electric pink. This lime green looks about right. And then I think I'm gonna fast forward so he doesn't realize. Fast forward!
Let's go, purple.
No! What is this? What? Electric green? Wait, no, I didn't pick that color.
That looks like alien blood.
And there's so much of it as well. Why is there so much? Oh my gosh,
You
this
made
is
me
like...
put so much into mine.
But yours looks good. What does mine look like? No more Mr. Nice Max. I'm gonna be playing hardball.
I really don't like being told off. Fast forward.
Not tolerate this kind of behavior, okay? I'm trying to make the best slime in the world. You're gonna give me this dark green goo? This is gross. Where's my purple? I want purple. Give me purple. Purple!
Come on, bro. Why am I so tired? For me, I think it's time for some activator. I'm just gonna activate this slime real quick. Just gonna... No, what is this? No, please.
that good?
Please. This is way too much. I would
Okay,
never
play.
have... Oh
Okay,
my
whatever.
gosh. No, look at it. I got like a little squid arm. I got a squid tentacle. What is this? Dude.
Well, while you were looking at Squid Tentacle, I started adding my activator and you didn't get in my way.
No! I think mine looks really weird. It's like half liquid and then this half giant solid blob of overactivated
Well, you
slime.
better get mixing.
More slime. Dude!
No! He noticed!
You literally activated my arm. Look at you. What is this?
There we go.
Are you kidding me?
Why is this activating?
Maybe it's not activator. maybe it's just water. Hey, that's my activator.
You shouldn't have told me!
Maybe I only gave you water.
Fine, that is it. I am now mad. He did give me water. Look, it's actually activating now. Oh my gosh. Oh, finally, I'm making slime.
Ah, she finally realized.
I just added half a bottle of activator and it wasn't doing anything.
How unfortunate. We gotta count how many times
You said there
Wengie
were no rules.
has paused me and how many times I've paused her. She has gone literally overboard. Can you guys count how many times she paused me in this challenge and let me know down below? Because I have a feeling it's like double how many times I've
The
paused her.
power of the remote control
So how-
is quite addictive.
Look, with great power comes great
Pause.
responsibility.
Great what? Great what? Great what?
Oh, dude, your slime's looking poppin'.
It's awesome. Look how good this looks. This giant fluffy.
Oh, pause.
No!
How long can you hold that spoon up there for?
Oh, I'm tired.
Your arms look like they've been replaced by noodles.
Alright guys, time to put it on the table.
So look.
Then get out. Yep. Why isn't it coming out of the... What happened? Oh!
What happened? Oh my god.
That's my remote.
Oh,
Your
no.
remote's over there.
Oh no.
Let me take...
Hey. Oh my gosh, mistake. I can't believe I caused myself.
Well, that's nice.
No.
I can just play with my slime in peace. Alright. Play.
Where did my remote go? Oh, it went over all the way over here. Oh my gosh, no wonder I picked up yours. Pause.
No! Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, that's like a weird arm position to be having to hold. That's so strange. Oh gosh.
No!
What are you?
The activator's coming
some
out
kind of
quicker
like
up here.
what are you? Pause.
Look at how much activator I have.
No, actually, you know what? I probably need some. Oh, but it's blue.
Oh, look at how jiggly this is. How jiggly.
Yeah, no more fun for you, pause. Oh, look. I happened to pause it when it flew outside the bowl. Oh no, it's gone on your controller. Maybe.
Oh no, it's pressing pause.
Oh no.
What do we do now?
What happened?
We're both paused.
We're both paused.
So what happens now?
Oh, someone.
Oh wait, no, the slime's settling. It's press play.
Oh, thank goodness, slime. You press play. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh.
unpause me before this happens
Oh
again.
my gosh, I was getting so tired. Oh, you? Oh, sorry. Whoops. Oh my gosh. How are you gonna clean your controller now?
Ooh, it's well activated. So it just came right off.
Oh my gosh.
Look at how satisfying that looks.
Pause. Oh, look how not satisfying it is. It's only satisfying when the fingers come out clean. Oh, but what's gonna happen now? Are the fingers gonna come out clean because they've been sitting in there for a while? Play. Oh, dang it. They still came out relatively clean. I don't want to like ruin it all with too much. So.
Pause.
No, it's all going in. No.
Play.
Oh my gosh, there's only like a tiny little bit left.
Hey! Ooh, that's so pretty. Pause.
Don't take my glitter!
at
It's mine! No! This is glitter robbery. What are you, some
still
glitter
some
thief?
of-
My precious glitter!
Look at my slime. Look
No!
at how beautiful it
No,
looks.
I'm so sad.
I'm pretty proud of how my slime turned out.
Okay, well, who do you think won?
Well, I think we can do a slime poop competition.
Okay, alright, let's see. Let's see what you got.
Mine's really pretty.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Slime poop?
3, 2, 1.
Pause.
No!
Oh no, what's happening to your slime poop?
Oh, it's still doing a poop.
Wait, why is it still going?
It's still doing a poop. Yes! Come on.
Why? How? How is it doing that? You're cheating.
It's natural.
Okay, you
It
know
just
what?
needs-
Play.
Ah,
It's a bit of a flat poop.
it's okay. Look, it's still good.
Well-
It just naturally wants to be good, you know? Doesn't need any coddling or anything.
Coddling. Do you have to cuddle your slime
Yeah, like
usually?
Like this. Mm,
Oh, okay.
you're good. Beautiful. Hey, you're touching.
Oh, no touching.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this pause challenge.
And also, guys, don't forget, Wengie has a new song.
Can't wait to show you my new single, Mr. Nice Guy. Check it out on my music channel. I've linked it down below.
It is out right now. We've left a link in the description box down below. Go check it out. It's poppin'.
See you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, love you. Mwah.